Welcome to today's deep dive into the fascinating world of fibrous roots in plants and how to care for them. Fibrous roots are one of the two main types of root systems in plants, the other being the taproot system. Unlike taproots, which have a single thick primary root, fibrous roots consist of numerous thin, thread-like roots that spread out from the base of the stem. These roots form a dense network in the upper layers of the soil, providing excellent stability and a wide surface area for water and nutrient absorption. Fibrous roots are commonly found in monocot plants such as grasses, wheat, rice, and maize. They play a critical role in preventing soil erosion because their network binds the soil particles tightly. Another advantage of fibrous roots is their rapid absorption capacity. Since they are thin and spread across a wide area, they can efficiently take up water and nutrients, especially in shallow soils. Now, let's discuss the care required to maintain healthy fibrous root systems. First and foremost is proper soil management. Fibrous roots thrive in loose, well-draining soils that allow their delicate roots to spread without obstruction. Compacted or heavy clay soils can restrict root growth, leading to weak plants and poor nutrient absorption. Regularly loosening the soil around plants without damaging the roots is essential, particularly for young plants with developing fibrous systems. Watering is another crucial aspect of care. Since fibrous roots are shallow, they rely on frequent but moderate watering. Deep watering may not reach all parts of the fibrous network, leaving some roots dry. On the other hand, overwatering can cause waterlogging and root rot. A balanced approach is to keep the soil evenly moist, allowing the roots to access water without being submerged. Nutrient management also plays a vital role. Fibrous roots respond well to surface fertilization because they are concentrated near the topsoil. Using organic compost or slow-release fertilizers ensures that nutrients are gradually absorbed by the root system. Avoid excessive chemical fertilizers, as they can burn the delicate root tips and disrupt root development. Another essential aspect of fibrous root care is avoiding physical damage. Activities such as aggressive weeding, digging too close to the plant, or applying heavy machinery can cut or break the fibrous roots. Such damage reduces the plant's ability to absorb nutrients and water effectively. Mulching around plants can provide an extra layer of protection, retain soil moisture, and regulate temperature, which indirectly supports root health. Pruning and transplanting should also be approached carefully with fibrous-rooted plants. When transplanting, it is important to handle the root mat gently, keeping as much of the fibrous network intact as possible. Avoid excessive pruning of roots, as fibrous roots do not regenerate as quickly as some taproots, and their spread is crucial for the plant's stability and nutrient absorption. Lastly, disease and pest management is critical. Fibrous roots can be susceptible to fungal infections in overly wet conditions and root-eating pests in unprotected soil. Maintaining proper soil drainage, applying natural antifungal treatments, and monitoring for pests can help preserve a healthy root system. Crop rotation and interplanting with compatible species can also reduce the risk of root diseases. In conclusion, fibrous roots are an essential feature of many plants, providing stability, efficient nutrient uptake, and protection against soil erosion. Caring for these roots involves proper soil preparation, balanced watering, nutrient management, protection from physical damage, and vigilance against pests and diseases. By understanding the unique characteristics of fibrous roots and providing consistent care, gardeners and farmers can ensure robust, healthy plants that thrive and produce abundantly.